Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download my emails from Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is just open up your Outlook desktop app and then come at the top left, click on File. Okay, and after you click on this, you get this menu. On the left hand panel, click on Open and Export. From here, click on Import/Export. Okay, and then I want you to choose this option that says Export to a file. Choose that, click here on Next, and then what I want you to do is choose Outlook data file. Click on Next again, and then you just go ahead and select the folder to export from. If you want the whole thing, you can select this, your email address. Make sure you have include the subfolder selected as well. Okay, and then you go ahead and hit Next, and then you'll need to just choose where you want to save the exported file. And if you want, you can replace the duplicates with the items exported, and then you just go ahead and hit Finish. Okay, if you have a password you want to add, this is optional, you can do that as well, or you can just hit OK. Really that easy. And that will begin the export. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.